Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email on Vented. First, go to your browser and log into your Vented account. Click your profile picture at the top right corner. Click the small arrow, then go to Settings. On the left side, select Account Settings. Under the email section, click Change. Enter your new email address. A confirmation email will be sent to the new address. Open your email and confirm the change. And you're done. Your Vented email has been updated. And that's it. That's how to change email on Vented. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.